Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come here to update you regarding COVID cases on 12th May 2020. You can see the picture in which a person is holding placards. Corona medicine is social distancing. He is urging you to stay at your homes, stay safe. Then only India can fight corona. So let's go through the tally of how many COVID cases have been increased in many countries. So as you know, USA is on the top and the worst country by COVID-19. So the cases have gone beyond 13 lakh and the deaths have been gone beyond 81,795. Then these countries Spain, UK, Russia, Italy, France. You can see that our country India, which was on 14 number day before yesterday, and yesterday it was on 13 number, but today it has come on 12th number. That means the cases have been increasing in India also, and the deaths have been committed 2,294. You can see Canada was on the top of India, but now it has come down as the cases from Canada are being less than India, and but the deaths you can see are far more than India. So you can see overall the cases are being on increase day by day. You can see the total cases 4.2 million, that is 42,55,954, and deaths have been surged up to 2,87,000, and the recovered people are 15,27,496. And if you see the cases in India, that has gone beyond 70,000, that means 70,780, and the deaths are near to 2,300, and the recovered rate is more, and the recovered people are 22,549. Government is taking precautionary measures and treating the patients, but still we are far more than many countries, and the cases have been increasing day by day. You can see Maharashtra, the hotspot of COVID-19 in India, 22,000 cases and 832 deaths. Then Gujarat, 493 deaths and 8194 cases. You can see Tamil Nadu, Delhi, these are the hotspots. Okay, and then you can see all over the states the cases are on increase. So you can see this is today's news. India adds 4,213 cases in a single day. So you can see the intensity of cases being increasing day by day. So you can see that Indian Railway starting its passenger train again, so that passengers can commute to other places also. So that, as you know, that economy is being slowed down so much, so government has to take measures so that economy can be boosted up. So here you can see as our government of India is taking precautionary steps to revamping the economy. So yesterday our Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted chief ministers of various states to revamp the economy. Here you can see the minutes in a marathon meeting which lasted for 6 hours. So Mr. Modi was imperative to protect the rural areas from the COVID-19 pandemic. And also Modi indicated that full exit from the lockdown was not possible. That means lockdown is not going to curb at this stage. It may be extended for a while. As you can see that 5 chief ministers of the states, including West Bengal, Telangana and Bihar, have asked from the central government to extend the lockdown. So guys, this was about the corona update for 12th May 2020. I hope you all doing well at your home, stay safe, and don't go outside if not necessary, and take precautionary measures as possible. Thank you so much.